Hey everyone, it's Neil, and I don't know why, but I keep losing my soldering iron. So here we go. I got another one here. We're gonna check this one out. I'll show you guys what it looks like and how it all works. So this is the soldering iron itself. It's a nice kind of, oh, it's got like a little, gonna have an electronic, I guess, to give us our temperature. This one here comes with this little sharp point on it now that I saw in here. It came with all these other points as well, so you could have this kind of blade one, and then these other ones here. The blade one is a good one. I use it when I'm doing my 3D printing and stuff, when I want to melt my plastic together. So just a little tip, if you do some 3D printing, it's kind of cool to be able to melt some pieces and parts together. But I'm going to plug this in here, get this thing started to heat up. We'll see how quick it heats up. There we go, we're plugged in, and it says it's set for 132 or 26 Celsius. And it looks like we got a little stand here that we have to poke out to make it work. It looks like we have to just make it ourselves. So make ourselves stand. And then there it is. It came with a little bit of solder here. So a tiny little bit of solder. And then what is this? Oh, a little sponge. So my sponge is not wet. So it's a dry sponge currently because I did not wet it. Okay, so we are set. It says 34.5 Celsius. 30 or 350, is it? 352. Well, let's see if it's heated up. There it is. Look at that. We are heated up. Let's see if I can, I don't know how to show you this. I'll show you right here. So this is what it looks like here, putting it on. You can see it's gonna melt the solder, and I don't know, it just took a couple of seconds to heat up. But I don't have anything I'm soldering at the moment, but this will give you good for soldering up some stuff. It's a little fuzzy in the picture, but you get the idea. You know how soldering works, hopefully, or else you shouldn't be getting a soldering iron. But there we go. And then I am just gonna wipe it off on my sponge, on my dry sponge. But you get the idea, and so it seems like a nice soldering iron. And it's kind of cool the way it has the electronic display. I don't know if I ever really need that, but it comes with that anyway. So I can unplug it here, and now it should cool itself off in a few minutes. So totally awesome. Thumbs up.